welcome to my channel. What we have here is a Lockwood Laminated, and what makes this one difficult is ball bearings, so you can't attack it that way, like shimming. Hardened shackle, 5-pin lock with good bitting on the key, and it has spools. These are from Australia. And let's see if we can get into this puppy. I'm going to use a Praxis 15 thousandths, kind of bent up hook. You don't have much room going bottom of the keyway like this, but I'm going to kind of go sideways and lift them up type of thing. Nothing on 1, 2. Ooh, got a little bit of movement just bumping past 4. 5's giving me some counter. Wow! That. I don't think I've ever opened that lock that fast. I haven't pre-timed it or anything else, but usually it's much more of a fight than that. But there you go. I'll take it. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Alright, I just wiped that thing out in less than 2 minutes, so let's see if we can't have it give me more of a fight. Because people are going to think, you just made a bunch of different videos and then you edited out the best one. Ooh. No, I got a slight turn on the core on 4. The trick is getting on 5, and there we go. Yeah, it wasn't a fluke. That was 35 seconds. These are pretty good locks, though. You know, I don't think anybody's gonna really pick it, but still, even the best of locks, even the best of bidding. Look at that. You know, you've got this guy right here. If you push up on him trying to set this, but really, it seems like 4 and 5 are the main ones. After that, maybe because of the way I was going, bottom of the keyway. But, yeah, I was just going in and going through and lifting. Let's see if I can do it in hand without the vise. This is where you're going to screw up, son. This is where you're going to screw up. See, it's binding differently now. Yeah. It ain't that easy. Sometimes it ain't that easy. Now, I wanted to put it in my hand because I thought, wow, if you can do it in less than 2 minutes, because these things are heavy. But different conditions, you know. All right, we got a false set. This is a, you know, not hanging from a tree or a fence, or you don't have Farmer Brown with a shotgun. See, now I did that spool and it didn't open. So the good ones were, you go back, you put it in the vise. That's what you do. You go back and you put it in the vise. Turn my headlamp on here so we can spotlight this. Yeah, I can feel counter rotation a little bit better in the vise, but see, now that was 3 and that was a spool, and before I wasn't even touching it, so now I got a false set from like 2 or 3. Moved a little bit more just going past it. I'm trying to get back here on 5. Yeah. It can give you challenges. Like I said, those other 2 are abnormal. Ooh, all set. This is like 4. Give me some counter. I got my pick stuck. Give me back my pick. Now this is 2. Also gave me, it was spooling. I got a fall set back, just trying to push my pick through there. This really should be like top of the keyway pick, just to give your pick more room. Because even though this is 15 thousandths, it has a hard time not setting pins when you go in there, because there's not a lot of room. Ooh, now I got a deep ball set. We just gotta look. I'm looking for a pin that's binding, but when I push on it, it gives me some counter. And 4 did that at that time. This is 5. Again, I'm going through some like serrated pins or something. This is 3. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, sometimes it can take a lot longer and open differently, it seems like. I don't know. Anyways, there you go. There's a realistic pick of this lock. Because those first 2 were like, man, you know, people that would want to just look good and make everything look good would have taken those. But I just want to let you know, I'm not dissing anybody. I'm just saying, because I haven't picked it or followed people picking in years, you know. So I'm not talking about anybody. I'm just saying, in lock picking, sometimes a lock can open up easy, and sometimes it can give you a fight. I'm just going to try to demonstrate that it can be picked in hand without a vise. You know, that's not the trick behind this lock. The main trick behind this lock is binding order, finding your spools. See here, it's doing this one on 3 again. I'm not trying to go for record speed and anything, because there we go. That's 40 seconds according to this thing from the time I started. So it's possible, but conditions, different conditions. This is a new lock. If one had been sitting out there rusted and everything, and you know, out in the cold, you got gloves on, there's a sleeping Doberman nearby that you don't want to wake up, yeah, it can make it different. But anyways, there you go. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.